It's about time that the students in the region should shine. We now have everything. Malinis na hangin, sariwang pagkain, maayos na edukasyon, makabagong teknolohiya. Ito po ang pagtutulong-tulungan ng DOST, ng DepEd, at ng provincial government natin. The fairs, exhibits, S&T lectures, and interactive activities provide an invaluable platform for learning, collaboration, and inspiration. These experiences should ignite the curiosity and challenge the young minds and encourage them to develop solutions to real-world problems.
Days, the science fair is held here at DIWA, and hopefully the other schools divisions would bring their students here, no? This is to see the strength and the creativity, the scientific minds of the Tarlaqueños. Congratulations both to DOST and DepEd for hosting such an event. I hope this will be a yearly thing here in the province. Filipinos are very creative. Given the chance, who knows, maybe one of you will become an Einstein or a Newton, diba? Just patent our creativity and talents given the chance na talagang may venue sila to bring out the best, no? So to all our DepEd supervisors here today and principals, our students who are here, and once again from DOST and DepEd, everyone here, I wish you the best of luck in the next 6 days and make this event really meaningful.
Gamitin ninyo ang pagkakataong ito na matuto kayo sa bawat booth. Ang tawag naman dyan ay threshold of the unknown. Okay? May madidiscover kayo. Okay? Pag nakita ninyo ang nadidiscover ninyo, i-apply ninyo sa sarili ninyo, apply ninyo yung Carpenter's hat theory. Ibig sabihin, bago kayo dumisisyon, bago kayo gumawa, kailangan tignan ng 2 beses. Carpenter's cat theory. Di ba exciting ang science? Ang dami mong pwedeng mapagtutong-tugtong, di ba? So good luck sa makikita ninyo. Mas marami kayong madidiscover. Ano tawag ninyo dito sa madidiscover ninyo sa threshold of the unknown? Serendipity.